SD Touch 2 Half Rack Function. The half rack function is based on a factor and can be used when the rack is not fully loaded and you want to run an existing recipe. When the function is active, the recipe gets adjusted to fit the incomplete loaded tray rack with just one click. To activate the half rack function, click on Settings and enter your PIN. Enter the service menu, click on Bake. Use the switch to activate the function. The function is active when the switch is green and to the left. Adjust the half rack factor settings between 0.01 and 1. The standard and recommended factor is set to 0.9 based on tests and calculations by the Sveba team. If the standard settings does not produce the desired result, you can adjust it manually. Factor preset is 0.9 equal to 90%. Factor 0.7 is equal to 70% of the recipe. Factor 0.5 is equal to 50% of the recipe. Example: recipe temperature 230 degrees Celsius. Factor 0.7 at 70% is equal to 161 degrees Celsius. Load desired recipe. The half rack icon is now visible. Click on it to activate the function. The half rack settings based on the set factor automatically load when pressing the icon. Baking temperature, baking time, steam time, and damper time. Sveba Dahlen recommends that in case of incomplete loads, the tray should be evenly distributed in the trolley to achieve even baking.